Good morning, YouTube family and friends. It's time for the cruise. Just got checked out of the hotel here at the Edgewater in Seattle. This was a pretty nice old hotel that's on the pier, and it a little expensive, a little pricey, but it was perfect location. The price is definitely worth it because of the location. It's walking distance of everything here in Seattle. If you ever just want to take a few day trip, I would recommend Seattle. There's so much to do and see around here. It is totally awesome. But let's go ahead and we're going to walk to the cruise terminal. It's only a block down the road, so it's less than a 5-minute walk to get to the cruise terminal. So, yep, here we go, and it should be hopefully a quick process here, but I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off right now, and I'll record more once I get to the cruise terminal. All right. Yeah, go with that. All right, my main piece of luggage is dropped off here. Scoot back so you're not so close to my face. But luggage is dropped off. Now I'm just waiting for my check-in time. It's about 10 more minutes. But the ship is here. Can't see the full ship, but let me see what we can see once we get closer to it. But here's the Pier 66 terminal. So as you can see, there's already a line developing here. So let's walk down this way to get a little bit more of a view of the ship here. It's a gorgeous morning out here. I think the temperature is like 63, 64 degrees. It's an overcast sky, which is common here in Seattle, I guess. But it's just perfect weather. I'm even in shorts and it feels good. But as you can see, there's the big wheel in downtown Seattle. All right, here's the Norwegian sun. Has all the artwork in the front part of it of the actual sun. Not sure if we're going to be able to see it, but we'll see a little bit of it. Try not to shake the camera so much on my phone. That's about all we're going to be able to see from this side of things. So, all right. There's a quick little video. Once I get through security check-in, then I will record some more. All right. All right, folks, we made it through the security. It went really quick. I also have priority access, but I was told that there's only going to be about 1,000 people on this cruise. So it's going to be a lot different from the Mardi Gras experience we took back in April. Of course, I'm doing this one as a solo Alaskan Cruise, but we're just in a waiting period until they're allowing people onto the ship. We're not quite ready to do that yet, so we're in the holding cell, but I can see the sun right here, so let me flip this camera, and there it is. Let me widen out a little bit. There's the Norwegian sun. I love that logo. That's neat. As you can see, they're busy stocking the ship back up. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll throw some more videos on this one before I get it posted, as I'm embarking on the ship itself. So, more to come. Alright folks, we are officially boarding the Norwegian sun. Alright. This is so exciting, going on my Alaskan cruise. That's where we're getting on it. It's a long walkway, long plank. Ooh, this is a long walkway here. So we got the walker up here saying "washi washi."
Good morning, washi washi, happy healthy. You're welcome.
Last view of the Seattle area before we board.
Thank you.
Oh, we're stopped again. This is taking longer than I thought.
Good morning, washi washi. Thank you. Washi washi,
Washi washi. That's a sprayer putting on people's hands, but my hands are full, so I couldn't do no washi washi.
They have their muster stations on the wall. You guys are
Yeah. We're almost on. Slowly but surely.
Been to Alaskan Cruise 3 times and twice.
Careful.
Right over, let the wheelchair through.
Alright, here we go. Whoa. Oh, they want the card.
And we sit on her side as well.
Okay. Alright, looks like our muster station is M, and we gotta go to the other side. So I'm gonna cut it off right now, and I'll start recording again here in a little bit. Alright folks, we are all on the ship, and we have been at our mustard station, so yeah, that's what it is. We don't disembark, or not disembark, and the ship doesn't leave port until 5 o'clock, so we got a lot of time left. So let me flip around here. As you can see, alright, so that's it for now. I might record some more here in a little bit. If I don't, this is where the video will end. If not, you'll see some more. Alright. Alright, we are ending this video for today with a view from the top of the ship and just looking out towards the city of Seattle. Definitely a great city to visit. I like that little fish fountain down there. That's neat. Space Needle. That was awesome as well. The aquarium, the Chihuly garden and glass. Even the mole pop, even though I didn't get to see a whole lot of the mole pop, what I did see was pretty neat. So, the Alaskan Cruise harbor tour That was also awesome. The Seattle's big wheel over there, that was awesome as well. So, but anyway, folks, I am wrapping it up. Yeah, it was a great first day on the ship, and still got a lot of time left. I'm waiting to get into my room. Got about another 15 minutes or so before I can get into my stateroom. So as soon as that happens, I will record a separate video giving a tour of my balcony room. So, but yeah, I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you are enjoying my videos that I'm posting, and we'll talk at you later.